What's the meaning of briefcase? Briefcase. Briefcase.
Briefcase. Briefcase. A briefcase is a small, rectangular-shaped bag typically used to carry important documents and other work-related items. It usually has a handle and a lock for security. Briefcases are commonly used by professionals such as businessmen and lawyers to transport important paperwork, laptops, and other valuable objects. They come in various styles and materials, such as leather or synthetic fabrics. The use of briefcases dates back to the 14th century, but today they remain a popular accessory for people who need to transport important items for work or business purposes.